Gotta clean the boat up. I loaded the traps ahead of time, and we had a lot of rain yesterday. So we had rust on the boat.
A
But
lot of rain.
yeah, I have something that takes that right off, though. It'll be nice and white again. Well, today I'm going to show you how to get heavy rust stains off your boat and mineral stains that you get from, I get it from the crab traps on the rebar that we use for weights on the crab trap. And you get the mineral stains from mud when we're casting it, and the whole deck will be stained. So what we use is oxalic acid. And oxalic acid is something like it's in vegetables. We eat a lot of it because we eat spinach, and that's supposed to be full of it. But it's not as concentrated as this, so you got to be careful with this acid. And you want to stay upwind of it when you put it on. And just maybe you want to wear a respirator, but I never do. I've been doing it for years on this boat. It's the same as your hull cleaners or what they call that barkeeper's friend. That has it in it. So it's not that bad, but it still can be dangerous. They got warnings on the label, so just follow the label. I'll show you what the container looks like. So we'll get back to you while we're cleaning this boat. Well, like I said when we were baiting up the crab traps, I left the traps on there for 2 days when we had rain. And look how the front deck looks, all full of rust stains. That's from the rebar on the bottom of the traps. It's used as a weight for the traps. And it bled all over the place. Down on the deck. Dripped all down there. It's a mess. So I'm going to show you how I clean it. We use oxalic, and I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, oxalic acid. And I'll show you the container that I get, and you just got to mix it according to the instructions. So we're going to put some on now. I'll leave it set for a while, and when I'm done, it should be nice and white. But it's terrible looking now, right?
Bad, bad, real bad.
The only thing it does do, I try to get different, what would you call it, little spray containers to spray it on. And they don't seem to hold up so good, so we got something different we found in the shed. And I don't know what this is, like a bug spray or something. So we'll see if this one holds up. A lot of times I'll just dump it on and brush it on. So I'm going to just start up here and just spray it on the stain. The blacks is disappearing right away.
I can see it. It's going away, yes.
That's good. I don't know. I hope the rust goes as fast as the black goes.
It is. It's fading a little bit.
Yeah.
It's got to sit there a while.
Just down here. Yeah, black's gonna go. I was afraid the black wouldn't go. It looks like that's not gonna be a problem. This is the worst it's ever been, I guess.
Yeah, it's the worst it's ever been.
Yeah.
It's really bad. Oh, look,
Yeah,
it's turning
yeah,
nice
good
and white
rain.
already. Look at it.
We had a good rain and it was bleeding all over.
Look at this part's really bad.
Yeah. I wouldn't do this with the sea hunt, to put this acid on, but this skiff, we don't seem to hurt anything here. I've done it a lot of times.
That's holding the pressure pretty good, that thing.
Yeah. We haven't used it in a long time. Use it for, what'd you use it for, garden spray?
Yeah. Well,
If I miss any, I just give it another coat.
I can't believe how much it's working already. Look at it. Really good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Big difference, isn't it?
Yes.
Watch out, I'm going your feet. Well, here's how it comes. I got it at Ace Hardware, and you can mix it up. And I usually I got a gallon container I keep it in, so it's handy. Because it happens often. I get rust stains in the boat because I'll put the traps in and it'll go and rain on me and it bleeds out and stains the boat. I like to look nice and white. In fact,
yeah.
I'm going to go over the whole boat. We bought this boat new and it's in bad shape now. It needs a lot of work. I could still think of it as a new boat, but it's far from new.
Probably about 20 years old, I think.
Yeah, something
Somewhere
like
it's
that.
close to it.
Probably close to it.
Mhm.
Yeah, I guess it is.
Yeah.
I guess it's close to that. But I'm gonna go over the whole boat. I'm gonna paint the cowling on the engine, and I got some caulking to do with 5200. We bought new seats for the seats. It's a really nice ice chest, cooler type seat, but we got new cushions for it. So we're gonna get it all fixed up.
Yeah, look. The sun's shining
Didn't
on
do
it.
anything yet. Didn't brush it in.
No.
Then there was some blood stains. That was from the bait. Probably from, when we put the bait in, it just dried up in the
Right.
sun, so I gotta get that off. That's bleach, will take that off. So I'll get back in and show you the
Yes,
finished job.
And handle with care.
Where? Yeah.
See?
Yeah, we're doing this outside, so
Yeah.
don't hand it because it can,
I guess.
but anyway. We got a breeze out here, so we're doing good.
Yeah.
Well, what I did, I took a brush too, and I didn't really have to do it. It kind of cleaned everything up, you can see, and I just kind of spread it around a little bit with the brush. But actually, it was all right without it. And I put a little bit of bleach, not much. It was, I scrubbed it enough. I spread the other acid around, and it kind of cleaned up the blood. But I put a little bit of bleach there. But you want to rinse it all off, get everything rinsed down. And you want to be upwind of it if you can. It's not really that bad. Like I said, a lot of things you buy are got oxalic acid in it. You just got to use some common sense. Read the instructions. Main thing, read the instructions and mix it according to the instructions. And if you're careful, you shouldn't have any problem. If you want to be safe, you can put a respirator on, because sometimes you can smell it when it activates with the stain, with the rust stain.
Does a good job.
Yep. Well, you can see the difference of me. It was really dirty and stained, but it came right off. All the stains came off. There's a couple very small dots, a different type of stain, I guess. But I've been doing this for years on this boat, and I don't put it on as heavy on the Sea Hunt. I don't know, I guess it wouldn't hurt it. Never hurt anything on this boat. But I do it on spots where I have rust. I'll just do the small spots. But you get more rust on this skiff because we cast net with it, and a lot of times in the mud there's a lot of minerals. Then the rebar from the crab traps, that happens a lot. And we put it inside here on the deck, and you can see how the deck looked before. So it's nice and clean now. It's just like it was almost when it was new. Well, you see how nice I got the deck cleaned up from all that rust from the rebar on the crab traps.
Yeah, look how nice. Look
yeah,
at that.
It looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's only a couple little tiny stains on there. But it was really messed up.
It was bad.
Yeah. Right down there too, that was kind of messed up.
Everything was messed up.
So now you'll sit on it, you don't have to worry about getting
Right.
dirty.
Well,
Now we're going to mess it up now.
We're going to mess it up now.
Yeah,
but
I'll get the traps out right away in case we get some rain that don't happen again.
these pants don't matter. They're my old pants.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, they're coming to get us. Where are they at?
No, got this. Well, I hope you got something out of this video. This has been working for me for years, and we keep the boat nice and white. And if you got any other ideas, leave in the comment sections. So if you learned anything from this video or you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And thanks a lot for watching.
I feel them in this one.
You feel?
Yeah.
How many you feel? Huh?
I don't think as many as that. Oh, this is the red one.
Oh, it's the red one.
What do we? Ooh, look what we got.
Oh,
I see.
quite a few.
Yeah, I do too. I see lots of few.
4, but there's more than that. Oh, that's pretty good.
That is real good.
Oh, that's very good.
That is wonderful good.
This is great.
Look how pretty and blue. Look how gorgeous and blue they are.
How many you got? You can count? 8. I got 8. What did you get?
8.